Okay, my lovely friends, here we are. This is another day in this freak show, and it's not going to stop. So just embrace it, because it's all good. So anyway, yeah, it's Tuesday, February 9th, 2021. Here's where we stand. Just yesterday, all four major stock market indices hit new record highs. It's pretty astonishing in this environment where we are in an economic deep freeze by design. Okay, this isn't the coronavirus. This is our politicians that have decided they want to just lock us up in our homes at the or by or under the orders of the real government, which is the central banks, the Federal Reserve, allowing them to inflate. And that's what they're going to do, people. The scheme has been revealed. Count yourself among the lucky ones who understand this, what's going on, why it's happening here. And this is a global phenomenon. World economy in free fall. Global markets continue higher, record highs. This isn't just the United States phenomenon. This is happening around the world as central banks continue to inflate. No surprise to you if you've been following this blog. You knew this is exactly how it would play out before it did. That is pretty profound. All right, so let's move forward here. So stock futures right now are pointing towards a slightly lower open. Okay, that's beautiful to me. Let's look at the setup. So we got stock futures pointing towards a slightly lower open after record highs yesterday across the board. We got a 10-year yield, 1.159. I know you are watching the 10-year yield, and I know you are watching the dollar. The dollar right now is under a little pressure. Imagine my shock. Where do you watch these things? Right here on my website, traderschoice.net, top of the second page. You can see these in real time, and you will have a very good idea as to where the stock market is going to go. You look at the stock market secondarily after you look at the 10-year yield, after you look at the dollar, then you're going to look at the stock market. What's the stock market doing? Now, these things don't move in lockstep, okay? But gives you an extremely good perspective on where the stock market is going to go longer term and shorter term for that matter. And the name of this game is higher. Okay, new record highs are in the cards, and the faster our economy crashes, the higher the market will go in this environment. We understand what the Fed is going to do. Suppress rates in perpetuity, that means forever. This was Federal Reserve President Loretta Mester yesterday. Fed President Bostic explaining how the Fed will buy unlimited, it's unlimited, at least $120 billion a month of mortgage-backed securities and treasuries and everything else anything they want to buy. On top of the fact that the Fed is funneling dollars around the freaking world. The Fed is funneling dollars around the world, effectively dollarizing the world, setting up the new system, the new fiat debt-based system. They already have it. It's just a matter of a rollout, and they need a major crisis to roll it out. So understand what's going on. Yeah, we're taking advantage of the situation, but there's going to be a major crisis, a crisis of the debt, a crisis of the currency, and then they're going to roll out their new system. Remember how it works. Problem, reaction, solution. It's always the same. Always the same. Cryptocurrencies right now are doing absolutely phenomenal, and they're going much higher as well. Bitcoin is around 46,000 right now. It was over 48,000 last night. Pretty amazing. We're going to 50 and beyond. There's no doubt about it. Right now you got metals slightly to the upside, but again, look, we all know the game. We have, again, exposed the game. It's JP Morgan at the core with other banks as well, rigging the metals market to the downside. They are desperate to do this. Now, that presents opportunity for you. It presents opportunity for me to buy massively undervalued assets here by design. This is all by design and good. They're going to play their game. We will play ours. It's that simple. Crude oil right now under a little pressure. That's also going to affect the market. That's a reason why stock futures are under a little pressure as well right now. You know how this works. They must prop up crude oil to prop up the energy sector and the financial sectors. It's very, very simple. As a matter of fact, again, right on my website, traderschoice.net, I have all the commodities are there too, so you can follow commodities. I really hope you're taking advantage of the stuff I put on my website for you. It's all free. Everything is free there. Just take advantage of it. There's all kinds of downloads for you. It's all free. That's it. That's where we are at right now, people. So look, in summary right now, we have a market poised for a slightly lower open. We got cryptocurrencies taking off, gold and silver catching a slight bid. The dollar under pressure, 10-year yield 1.159, looking good. This is where we want to be right now. We want to see that 10-year yield remain stable or only make incremental moves. The dollar, we want to see weaker from a market standpoint. From a consumer standpoint, we of course do not want to see the dollar weaker. But look, that's the mechanism here. It's crazy. You know that. All right. Pretty much that's it, people. I think we're on top of it. I can't think of anything I missed right now. And if I did, I will cover it later in my my post-market report at the end of the day. I hope to see you there. This guy loves you a lot. Please share the video. See you later.